Okay, cold start. Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna ride it like this. I just took it out to see what it sounds like. It really doesn't do it justice in person. On the phone, I mean, look, it's whatever. It does already look better without. Yeah, we're not gonna keep it like this though. I just took it out to see what it sounded like.